Captain Kidd. Welcome to my home, Kiddopia. You can do 1,000 things here. Create art with me. Hang out with my best buddies. We'll explore new skills and discover new worlds. Join my pals and me on amazing learning adventures here in Kiddopia, where learning is fun.
ABC Animal Adventures. See the animals. What does a dog eat? Bone. You are too good. What does a cow eat? Grass. You're outstanding. What does a dog? Pet salon. Pet doctor. Puzzles. Excellent. You're doing great. Join the dots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. You are super. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Great job. Spot the difference. Way to go! Well done! Superb! Good job! Alphabet flashcards. A. A is for ant. B. B is for bee. A is alphabet tracing. Capital letters. A. Super. A is for ant. B. Awesome! Small letters. A. Follow the white path. Magnificent! A is for ant. B. You are too. Spelling. A-N. You're outstanding. Ant. B. E. E. Excellent. E. B. Junior Chef's Cafe. Cupcakes. Cookies. Egg, butter, sugar, cookie, baking, flour, milk. Frosting. Fruit. Sprinkles. Straw and candles. Placemats. Coloring pad.
Captain Kidd! Season 2. Season 1. The Missing Lunch.
Captain Kidd! Captain! Captain Kidd! Captain! He's always flying round, saving all the town. He's Captain Kidd! Captain Kidd! Woo! He's got the supervision, he's really strong. Yeah! He'll be there in a minute when things go wrong. And when
Come on, kids. It's time for school. Careful. Quickly now. Mrs. Monkey has asked us to take the twins to school as she is sick. That's enough, you two!
Mama, we don't have our lunch boxes!
Achoo! Sorry, I've been too sick to make them. I'll bring them to you later. Good morning, Mrs. Beaver. Good morning, twins. Come on, let's go. Bye, Mama. Bye, Mama. Bye. Have a good day.
We're walking to school. We're walking to school. It's a bright sunny day, we're feeling good. We've got so much learning to do. We're gonna read some books, do some math. We're gonna make some really cool art. Then we'll eat our lunch, play outside. We gotta stay fresh and smart. We're walking to school. We're walking to school. It's a bright sunny day, we're feeling good. We've got so much learning to do. Yay!
Single file, please, children.
Wonderful, Chris. Great job, Bobby. Super, Harriet.
Yay! It's lunchtime! Food!
Mama didn't bring our lunch boxes.
What are we going to do?
It's
Captain Kidd! Don't worry, I'll fetch your lunch boxes. Yay! Captain Kidd will save the day! Go, Captain Kidd!
Go, Captain Kidd!
Go, Captain Kidd!
Captain Kidd! Thank you for coming. I've been too sick to take the twins' lunch boxes to school.
I know! I'm here to fetch them!
What would we do without you?
Woof! Thanks, Alex! No problem. Go, Captain Kidd. Here comes Captain Kidd. Well done, Captain Kidd.
Honey sandwiches.
Jam sandwiches.
Wood sandwiches!
Rainbow sandwiches. Banana sandwiches.